I'm doing a swipe today. The colors I'm using will be listed in the description below, as well as the silicone oil I use. I have silicone in all the colors. Emily has also decided to come and help me today. So, if you hear some random during this, it's, well, my cat. So I don't know quite how I was going to do this. I think I'm just going to do blobs for now. It hasn't been that truly exciting in my world, I suppose. I've been rather stuck with how the lockdowns have been here. I wish we could do more. Oh, there she goes. Okay, I'm gonna leave some so I can layer some other things here. Okay. I wasn't expecting all that. A tiny blob. Emily's in the closet. Bless you. So the other day, because it's been so nice out, Jeff and I were sitting outside, and I threw something at him and he just dropped it. And I didn't realize there was someone walking around in the park behind our house. So without even missing a beat, I asked Jeff, well, aren't you gonna pick that up? Not realizing the person walking behind our house, their dog had honestly just finished, well, doing their business. So the guy shoots his head up like, who said that? And he never even really said anything. He just looked around really confused like, what is going on? Who saw this? How is this even happening? And so he picked up his dog poop and just continued on because there's a park behind our house. I thought that was so ridiculously funny because I'm like, really? Like, Jeff and I just kind of sat there quietly like, that happened. Okay. Well done. I'm gonna add more blobs and stuff. I'm just trying to fill spots that I can see that need it right now. Add some pig, that big old one. And some blue on top. That's too much blue right there. Oh well. It'll sort itself out. Here, I'll do another one on top. Why not? Okay. I'm gonna kind of tilt this out. See if we can get anything to happen. Blobs are cool. I mean, I have a lot of paint here, so I don't mind tilting it first. Wonder what's gonna happen. I'm just going with the flow here, and why not, right? Tilt and swipe. So I put a nice white base down so it'd help it flow. Kind of bring it back this way. Alright, because I want to take some black down this edge and swipe it that way. See what happens. Right? Need more paper towel, and I'm just stacking stuff on top of my other paper towel, and it's not working. Mess be everywhere in my hand. Don't drip. So, this is just my normal. I use like Floetrol, like American Floetrol, and water and paint. That's how I mix my paints. I do have a video for that, and it will be linked up in the corner. That should be enough, I think. I don't know. This should work. I hope. Okay. Might end up double swiping it. Who knows? Swiperoo. Whee! Right. I know it looks kind of like, what's happening? Nothing's happening. I do like that I put the white down. I'm gonna torch it to see what's gonna decide to show itself. Because I see this happening up here already, and that's kind of cool. Oh, I gotta switch you down a bit. Is that good? See? A little cluster up there. Had a bit of a brain fart there at the end. I don't know, do you think I should just, like... I don't know. What are you doing? Okay, so I think I'm gonna take my last piece of paper towel. I don't know what to do. Okay. Because nothing's really happening here, I kind of like squish my paper towel like this so I have like a thing. I'm experimenting, okay? And I'm gonna like try to pull some paint up from here. Just right now it looks neat. I'll give it that though. Do it like that, maybe. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna do it like this and slide it off. Ooh, okay. Wow. That looks cool. I'm gonna take another piece of paper towel from here. Just kind of drag it along. Oh boy. I do like this a lot, but it's so like... I'm gonna torch it more. Okay, I'm gonna grab another piece of paper towel and just like drag the rest of this off because it's not working how I wanted it to. So, because I can't pull in a straight line to save my life. This is what we get. Okay, so now I'm gonna try this. Well, I am gonna let this do its thing for a little bit now that I know that it will actually sell out because I've pulled enough paint off of it. And I'll be back with a flyby. I'm happy that I decided to swipe it again because I don't think this many cells would have popped up. This is what it looks like while it's wet. I will be back with a dry flyby through the magic of editing, you know. It won't really be too incredibly long. Love how the black popped up behind the green, like that looks so neat. Little caterpillar. This one, I'm sorry about the shake, but there. This one looks like a pig nose. Do you see it? Pig nose. So cute. Okay. And I'll be back with the dry one. This is what it looks like now that it's dry. Here, I'll bring you in so you can see it. You can see the canvas texture, so cool, and that turned out so shiny. Look at the metallic cobalt blue in there. That looks so cool. And all the pretty cells that decided to show up. So happy I decided to reswipe this one. Make sure you check out my other swipe that will be linked here in the end screen. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up since YouTube seems to be liking thumbs ups right now. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in that next video.